Welcome to the Zendo iOSS Shopify app setup. Let's get started. First, let's set up your Shopify store. On your App Store, select Taxes and Duties, scroll to Duties and Import Taxes, click Turn On. Then select the checkbox My carrier supports prepaid duties, and then click Next. Then, in the Manage Countries section, click Manage, select the checkbox European Union with all 27 iOSS countries, and then click Confirm. To proceed to the following section, click Next. Here it's important to have check marks for both HS codes up to date and country of origin up to date. In this section, you can update your product information by exporting your product in a CSV list. Then once the update is made and the import is verified, click Next. In this new section, you're reminded to let your customers know you're collecting duties and import taxes at checkout. Then click Next. This section is to review Shopify terms and conditions, including their duty calculation fee of 0.5%. Click Turn On. You can now collect duties and import taxes at checkout. Click Taxes and Duties to see the checkbox for collecting duties enabled. To collect taxes, click on the dash to get back into EU. Scroll down to Collect on Orders to the EU iOSS and click Collect Import VAT. In the drop-down menu, select Austria for registration country. For the iOSS, type in AU 4568939201 and click Collect VAT. You'll then see Collecting in green. Then scroll up to click on back next to European Union. You'll see tax and duties are set to be collected for your orders. Your store is now ready to collect taxes and duties. Let's go to the next step. Installing Zendo's iOSS app. In the Shopify App Store, you will search for Zendo, and once you find it, then you will click on Install. At this point, you will then get an Install App pop-up that notifies you that the app needs access to view personal data, such as customers and store owner, and needs access to view and edit orders. Click on Install. And when the app is installed, you will arrive on the Home tab of Zendo iOSS for UK sellers. You will see 3 different tabs in the iOSS app. Let's start with the middle tab, called Webhooks. Webhooks are optional to help you connect Zendo with a third party. We have a webhook for order creations and order editing. This is something we have found that 3PLs find beneficial to ingest orders directly to their systems. As a next step, you will go to the Payment tab. This is for the iOSS VAT deposit. The minimum deposit is £500. Once you've entered your deposit, click on Make Deposit. And to finish your setup, you will return to the Home tab. This final step is to enable Zendo's iOSS app. Click on Enable and voila! Congratulations, you are now all set and ready to ship in the EU.